Good evening, my YouTube viewers. It's been quite some long time, and today um, I've decided to make a short video on Virtualbox installation and configuration for Windows 10 PC. To actually install Virtualbox, it's good you get the latest version of the software, and you quickly have to move to your web browser and log on to virtualbox.org. As you can see here, from there you move to your main page. You have download Virtualbox. We have 6.1 as the latest version, so you click to download that. Sorry, my internet is down. And from there you have your setup downloaded onto your required folder. So as you can see, my setup would be somewhere in my downloads folder. Let's find it. So we have Virtualbox here, and then we have our Virtualbox software downloaded. Where is it? Check here. Good. So we have it downloaded onto our desktop. So we quickly right click on that and click on open. It will prompt to install Virtualbox. So you move to next, then you click I have Virtualbox already installed on my PC. So you click on customize, then you move, and then you finish doing the installation for that. So for the configuration of the Virtualbox, we quickly go to our menu, then type Virtualbox. We'll have our Virtualbox launched, and to use this Virtualbox effectively, we'll have to do a few configurations on it in order to access our internet or service effectively. So from there we move to the preferences here, we move to the network tab here, and we have to add a new network to this, but I've already configured mine. So you can see my NAT network. So my NAT network here, I've just given it this name for easy identification, and then specifying the IP address here. So I have my IP address as 192.168.0.0/24. This will actually enable Virtualbox to get access to all IP addresses available on the machine when installing an OS on this Virtualbox. So today, this is the short video I'm doing for Virtualbox. Next time we meet, we'll be doing installation on Virtualbox, and we'll be installing Ubuntu latest version for reach and to test the effectiveness of Virtualbox. Thank you very much for viewing my channel today. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also leave comments for me so I can make more videos, and then we'll help one another in the IT sector. If you are interested in any other video, just comment on the comment box and I'll be making such a video. Thank you very much.